Start by following the guidance provided in the case stem. Focus intently on the designated system or organ. For instance, if you are instructed to examine the heart, begin with examination of the heart. Concentrate on identifying the key physical sign, whether it's a cardiac murmur or another isolated finding. When evaluating a murmur, pay close attention to its timing, location, and quality, and be precise in grading its severity using standard auscultatory criteria. If asked to examine the cardiovascular system, then examine the entire cardiovascular system following the template for the comprehensive exam rather than merely examining the heart.